Hi, welcome to day one of transforming your fatigue and increasing your energy. My name is Monica Bravo, and I am here to give you those tips on how a modern day mama can increase her energy. So, the number one way to increase your energy is to say no to stress. If you didn't know it by now, stress has a major impact on the brain, but even more of an impact on your inner body, your gut, your digestive system. So what I want you to do is say no to stress today. I'm going to give you some things you can do instead of stressing. Number one is create a daily ritual for yourself. So you can go for a brief walk. I like to wake up, brush my teeth, get back into bed in a seated position, comfortable, straight legs, crossed legs, and I meditate, right? So I close my eyes. You can choose to listen to one of my meditations, very simple ones. You can also just listen to music and connect to your inner source, your inner heart, or even connect with a mantra. So saying no to stress means starting your day in a way that works good for you. One of my number one ways was to meditate, and it could be a breathing exercise, it could be doing a moving meditation, but something that's really going to get you connected and grounded for the day. I like to also use a drop of balance or lavender essential oils and massage them into my hands and my feet before I do my meditation. But I want you to keep it simple. I want you to create a ritual that's going to help you decrease your stress. My number one tool is to meditate, and you don't have to have a fancy altar, and you don't have to be in a specific spot. I want you to be comfortable. I want you to wake up and make that spot your own. It could be just jumping back into bed. That's what worked for me over the past years, and I hope that will work for you. So you set a timer, 10 to 15 minutes. Sit in your comfortable seated position and breathe. And if you've worked with me before, that means you have a mantra, right? You have a mantra that really connects with yourself. We will go into that in our next video. So please put that on the top of your list for tomorrow, 10 to 15 minutes of meditation or breathing. All right, mamas, see you in the next video. Blessings.